Hi everyone. Here we are going to present a short video on Centos 7 operating system installation. Before moving on to the installation, you need a bootable USB or a DVD disk for performing this operation. Once you select the boot medium, you will move on to the first screen where you can see there are three options in which you have to select install Centos 7 and give enter. Now it will prompt to the next screen where you have to select the appropriate language. So we go with language English, and in the subcategory we select English United States. Moving on to the next screen, first you have to select the software selection. In that, choose basic web server and save it, and after that select installation destination. Now we are going to do the hard disk partition. For that, in the drop down you have to select standard partition and click on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen. So you will get a pop-up window where it will ask to add a new mount point. So first mount point you have to select as /boot/EFI. And you can give the size as 1024 and then click on to add mount point. So the first partition is created. Click on to that plus icon. In that, again the pop-up window comes where you have to select the mount point as swap. And for swap, always the capacity or the size we give twice the size of the RAM. Suppose RAM is 2 GB, then the swap size we have to give as 4000. Now again click on to the plus icon, select the mount point as / and file system should be selected as ext4, and then update, click on to update settings. And then now once the settings is updated, click on the done button which is on the top of the screen. Now click on to the begin installation. Moving on to the next screen, you can see the user settings. First option is root password. Click on to that option and you have to set the password for login. Then save it. Now it will start installing the packages. Once all packages are installed successfully, you will see a complete message on the screen, and now you can reboot the server. Once the server is rebooted, you can see the login screen where you have to enter the user as root and give the password. Now we are going to set the IP for the server. For that, in Centos 7 we use the command nmtui and give enter, where you can manually give the IP for the server. First, get a free IP from your network. One pop-up window comes where you have to select edit a connection, and you will move on to the screen where you have to select the appropriate interface. Once you select the appropriate interface, you have to set the IP of the server. The free IP which you get, you can set it here. Here I am going to enter 192.168.10.171 as the IP, and manually you have to enter the gateway IP as well as the DNS server. Now give OK. You will come out from that screen. Once you set the IP, give service network restart command and you have to check whether that IP is set or not. So you can give the if config command and then enter. So it is not set right now. So now what you can do is give if up command along with that interface to which that IP is set, and after that you go to the path cd etc sysconfig network script. In that, view that particular interface and give the on boot as yes. Instead of no, give on boot as yes and save the changes. Now you give service network restart. And then you can recheck whether the IP is set or not using the if config command once again. Finally, we have come to the end of this video on installation of Centos 7, and I hope you guys find it useful. Thank you all for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos on YouTube Aztecs channel.